Hey kiddos, this activity is called Fit the Units. And what you're going to do is read this short little story here. And there are a number of blanks, looks like 5 of them. And there are 5 words from your word bank up here that you are going to use to fill in those blanks. And you have to pick the measurement, the unit of measurement that makes the most sense in each situation, okay? If you have a ruler with a centimeter measurement on it, I think that'd be a great idea to have that out just so you can kind of check. But what you're going to do is read through here and pick the best units to go in the blanks. So it says here, Deirdre is sitting at her desk, which is 1 blank long. So now looking at our options here, how long do you think a desk would be? Now the first question is, do you know what a decimeter is? Do you? I'll give you a hint. 1 decimeter, oh, that's pretty gross, equals 10 centimeters, okay? So now that should help you kind of get an idea of what a decimeter is. Now, thinking about that, if 10 centimeters is a decimeter, and I'm sure you know that 100 centimeters is a meter, how many decimeters would there be in a meter? It'd be 10, right? This is what's so nice about the metric system. Everything is just tens and hundreds and thousands. It's very simple. Think about feet and mile, 5,280 feet in a mile. It's ridiculous. Metric system, it's very straightforward. So 10 centimeters in a decimeter, 10 decimeters in a meter, 100 centimeters in a meter. Millimeters, there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter, so that'd be 1,000 millimeters in a meter. Regardless. Which one of these words would fit best with this one? How long would a desk be? One of what? It'd have to be a meter, right? Now you guys can write this in because you're using a pencil. Ugh. So I'm going to write that in, and I'm going to kind of cross off meter. There's an eraser on the desk that is 50 blank long. Okay, so now what would that be? Would it be 50 decimeters? Does that make sense? Well, if 10 centimeters is a decimeter, if it was 50 decimeters, it'd be 50 times 10. That'd be 500 centimeters, which would be what, 5 meters? That would be a big eraser. No. Milliliters? Well, liter isn't even a measurement of length. It's a measurement of volume. That's not it. How about millimeters or centimeters? Again, if it was 50 centimeters, that would be what? 50 centimeters would be half of a meter, right? So, I mean, over 1.5 feet long. I have not seen an eraser that's over 1.5 feet long. So if it's 50 millimeters, that'd be about 5 centimeters. That sounds about right. So that would have to be, and I'm abbreviating here, right? You can write it out. That'd be millimeters. But that's how this activity is going to work. You're going to choose the measurements, the units that make the most sense in the blanks that are on here. And they'll, as always, they'll get a little bit trickier as you go along. So take your time, do a good job.